In 2025, starting an online business doesn't have to cost money. You only need 2 free AI tools. These tools will help you build your business step by step, even if you're a beginner. Let's start with the first tool, Systeme.io, your free all-in-one funnel builder. Systeme.io lets you create landing pages and sales funnels without coding. You can design pages by simply dragging and dropping elements. It also includes email marketing automation for free. You can set up workflows that send emails automatically to your leads. Everything is built inside one dashboard, no extra tools needed. And the best part, you can start completely free. Click the link below to create your free Systeme.io account today. Click the link below to create your free Systeme.io account today. InVideo helps you create professional videos in just minutes. You can choose from thousands of ready-to-use templates. Simply type your script and let AI generate the video for you. Add stock footage, music, and text in one click. Your video is ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, or your website. And yes, InVideo also offers a free plan to start. Click the link below to try InVideo AI Video Maker today. With Systeme.io and InVideo, you have everything to start your business online. One builds your funnel, the other creates your videos, all for free. So don't wait. Start your online business today with these 2 free AI tools. Links are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next AI SmartForge video.